So we are going to be doing the cut and paste activity. If you do not have this page, then you are probably working on the think page, which is the other video. So for cut and paste activity, we're going to match small pictures to large pictures. So cut out your small icons down here, and we're going to copy and paste them to the matching icons. So the first icon is our vocabulary word, wildfire. Wildfire, where there's a large fire in the wilderness. Which icon looks like wildfire? Wildfire. Our next icon is a boy that has a broken arm. Maybe he needs help because he broke his arm, right? So, broken arm, which icon can you match with that is a boy with a broken arm? I see it. He's wearing a green shirt. The boy with the broken arm. Our next one is wild animals. So wild animals are animals that live in the wilderness. Do we see any of the wild animals? That's another vocabulary word of ours. Wild animals. I'm probably going too fast. I'm going pretty quickly, but definitely pause the video before I move on to the next one if I'm going too fast for you. Our next word is help. That is our vocabulary word. It means to give someone aid. So to kind of help someone out, maybe you give them something they need, let them borrow something, do something to bring joy to their lives. Which word is the same? Which icon is the same for help? In this picture, someone is picking up another person. We have help over here. The next icon is up here are bottles of medicine. So we take medicine sometimes to help make us feel better. Maybe if we have a headache or a stomach ache or we're sick, we might take medicine. Which icon matches with medicine? Medicine. Our next word is family. So family is another vocabulary word this week, and it means a group of people that are related to each other. Be your mom, dad, aunts, uncles, grandparents, cousins, brothers, sisters. Those are all part of your family. Which icon is the same as family? Family. This is the flag. This is the Australian flag where the Irwin family is from. Australia is a country slash continent that is pretty far from us. This one is the same as the flag, which leads us to our last one. And I believe this one is probably one of the members of the Irwin family. Steve Irwin was the husband in the Irwin family. There's like an animal here and a bird here, and that will be our last one.